All right, Big Nate here. So we got some golf cart rims. He wants them all bronze. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take out these caps. I already started taking out the caps, and we're gonna get this color change. Let's do it. Big Nate, back in action. All right. Getting them rims stripped with that rim strip. Coming off real easy and real fast. Let's keep it rolling. All right, Big Nate here. So we got the rims all stripped, power washed off. Now we're gonna get them all packaged up and get sent over there to get sandblasted from my buddy Angel. He's also my detailer, and he cuts grass, so I'll put his number right there if anybody's looking for a good detailer, sandblaster, yard guy. But yep, let's keep it rolling. Let's do it. All right, Big Nate here. So we got them all sandblasted. I'm gonna just give them a quick wipe down, and then I'm gonna outgas them, and then get them spray them with that powder. Let's do it. We're gonna be hitting those rims with some triple bronze from Prismatic Powders. Triple bronze. Let's do it. Yes, sir. Big Nate here, getting that triple bronze. Coming out real good. Got them in the oven, 400 for 10 minutes. Triple bronze. Let's do it. Fingers crossed. All right, triple bronze. Golf court rims. Success. Looking good. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep at it.